Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to create to-do list in Google Sheets. So let's jump right into it. By the way, I was not able to make videos last week, so sorry for that thing, and now I am back. So let's just make our Google Sheet. So you can open your Google Sheets. I will just open quickly. After opening your spreadsheet, blank spreadsheet, I'll just quickly rename this to-do list. Yep, I will just change its title. I will just give it a title and all things. So I'll just merge this. I'll type to-do list. Click here. I'll just change its alignment, vertical and horizontal. Change its font 24. Change its size and all the things. I'll just make this bold. Yes. Now I will just add a border to this. Just click here. Just click here. Okay. Now select this two or this two. I'll select this two. Merge them. Type here Monday. Change its alignment and all things. Okay, nice. Change its font 18. I'll make it bold. Yes. Now what you need to do is click on this column, select that column whole by clicking on C, right click, resize column. I will just resize this to 50. Okay, nice. Now what I will do, I will just quickly select this two till 12. First of all, I will select these two, means this column. Click on format, insert, and click on checkbox. Now select these two rows and I will just type here any task I would like to. I will type edit my video. Okay. Now I'll just change its font size and all things. Shadows into light 18. Yes. Now I will select this, shadows into light 18. I forgot to change this to 18. Yeah, nice. There we go. Now if I click on this, nothing happens over here. See, nothing is happening. So what you need to do is, I'll just give it a border quickly. Just select this border. Now it looks nice. So just click here, click on format, click on conditional formatting. Now click on we want to range to C4 to C12. Yes. So C4 is given, type colon C12. Now you need to select this format cells if we need to create custom formula. Now click your value or formula. Now what you need to do is just type is equal to B4 here. The first checkbox is on B4, so I will just type here B4. Okay. Now we need to do is equal to and true. Now it will be like if B4 is equal to true, and now we will select this, and it will work like if B4 is equal to true, then this C4, this will be done like this. It will be this happens. And now what, I will just change its color. I will show you. Strike through also works. Okay, you can see this. Here is a strike through, and it will apply to all these because we have selected our range C till C12, so it will work till here. I'll just show you quickly. I'll just click on done. I'll just close this. I'll type something randomly. Clean the table. Okay, you can see it works. And you can change its color, or you can, if you want to make it bold, you can do this. It's all on you how you want to keep this. So now let's come to our designing part. So what I will do is select this. I will just change its color to I like this light colors, it looks so nice. I'll select this, and what I will do is just select this, hit Ctrl C, just click here, Ctrl V, but you can see it's not pasted here. So click here, right click, resize column, and you can see now it's all the same. So I will just click here to delete. I'll just change this to Tuesday. Click here, change the cell color to this, and the formatting will work on this also, you can see. I will type make. See, if I click here, it still works. So you can just do the same thing. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Just select this, right click, resize column. Just select the text. And just it still works here also, it will work. Change its color, and I will show you after making my all a weekly to-do list. Okay, now I will just copy pasted all the things, and you can see I've created a nice to-do list here. It is not kind of aligned. I will just do this. Yeah, now it looks nice. So you can see it works. I will just change its color. It's too, I don't like it. Just click here, format, conditional formatting. Click on this formula, and now just change its color. I'll just do it this green. Done. I'll just close this, and now it will work like this. So this works like this, and that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video.